Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering how to add a YouTube link to your Divi Footer. Whether you want to direct visitors to your YouTube channel or a specific video, adding a clickable YouTube icon to your footer is an excellent way to boost engagement and drive more views to your content. Now, the method you'll use to add this YouTube link depends on the type of footer your Divi website is using. If you're working with Divi's default footer, you'll need a tool like the Divi Booster plugin to make this customization, since YouTube isn't included as an icon option by default. On the other hand, if you're working with a custom footer designed through the Divi theme builder, you can use the built-in social media follow module to add the YouTube icon. By the end of this process, you'll have a seamless, professional-looking YouTube link embedded in your footer, giving your website visitors quick and easy access to your YouTube channel or video. Let's get started. If you're using the default footer in Divi, you might have noticed it already includes icons for platforms like Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and RSS. However, YouTube isn't part of the default options. Fortunately, with the help of the Divi Booster plugin, you can easily add a YouTube icon to your Divi footer. In the next steps, we'll walk through exactly how to do this so you can link to your YouTube channel or video directly from your website footer. Let's dive in and make this customization quick and simple. To add a YouTube icon to the default Divi footer, the first thing you'll need is the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin is packed with hundreds of features that extend Divi's functionality, including the ability to add a YouTube icon to your footer. If you don't have it yet, you can purchase and download your copy of Divi Booster. Once you've completed the purchase, you'll receive a file named divi-booster.zip. Be sure to download this file to your computer because we'll need it for the installation process in the next step. If you've already purchased Divi Booster in the past, you can log into your account and retrieve the plugin zip file from there. Go ahead and save that file locally, and you'll be ready to proceed with the installation. To install the Divi Booster plugin, follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have the plugin zip file ready on your computer. If you don't already have it, download it from your Divi Booster account. Now head over to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, go to Plugins, and then choose Add New. Here, you'll see an option to upload plugin. Click that button. Next, click on Choose File, browse your computer, and locate the divi-booster.zip file you downloaded earlier. Once you've selected the file, click Install Now. After the upload is complete, a button will appear allowing you to activate the plugin. Click Activate, and with that, Divi Booster will be added to your Divi theme, ready to extend your site's functionality. To open the theme customizer in WordPress, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Divi. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Theme Customizer. This will launch the customizer interface, where you can access a variety of settings to adjust and enhance the global design of your Divi site. This is where we'll make changes to your footer and other site-wide options. Let's move on and explore those customization tools. Once you're in the Theme Customizer, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, click on Divi Booster, and then select Social Media Icons. This will open the Divi Booster's social media icon system. With this tool, you can add a wide variety of social icons to both the header and footer of your Divi site, giving you flexibility to fully customize your social media presence. Let's move on and take a closer look at how this works. To add the YouTube icon to your footer, start by selecting an icon slot within the Divi Booster's social media icons section. If you see an empty slot labeled No Network Set, click on it to expand the options. However, if all your slots are already in use, for example, if you've previously added other social networks, click on Add a Network to create a new slot. Next, locate the drop-down labeled Icon and click on it. This will display the full list of available social media icons. From here, scroll through the options and select YouTube. This action will assign the YouTube icon to the selected slot. Once done, your footer is one step closer to connecting visitors directly to your YouTube channel or videos. Next, you'll need to set up the link for your YouTube icon. In the Links To field, enter the URL for your YouTube channel or a specific video you'd like to promote. This is the link your visitors will be directed to when they click on the YouTube icon in your footer. It's that simple. Once you've entered the URL, your YouTube link will be ready to go. To ensure your social icons, including the new YouTube icon, display in your footer, continue working within the theme customizer. Navigate to the Footer section, then select Footer Elements. Here, look for the option labeled Show Social Icons and make sure it is enabled. By default, this setting is usually turned on, so you might not need to make any changes. However, it's always a good idea to double-check to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once that's confirmed, your social icons will be ready to appear in your footer. Once you've completed your changes in the theme customizer, the final step is to apply them to your site. To do this, simply click the Publish button located at the top of the theme customizer area. This will save and implement all the adjustments you've made, including the addition of your YouTube icon. And that's it. Your settings are now live on your site. Now that you've completed the setup, it's time to check your site and see the result. Head over to the front end of your website and take a look at your footer. You should now see the YouTube icon displayed alongside your other social media icons. When you click on the YouTube icon, it will take you directly to the URL you configured earlier, whether that's your YouTube channel or a specific video. And just like that, your site visitors now have an easy way to explore your YouTube content straight from your website footer. If you're creating a custom footer using the Divi theme builder, you can easily add a YouTube icon by taking advantage of the built-in social media follow module. This module makes it simple to include social media icons directly into your footer layout. In this section, we'll walk through the steps needed to add and configure a YouTube icon so that your visitors can seamlessly connect to your YouTube channel or videos. Let's get started. To open the Divi theme builder, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Divi and click on it. Once the submenu appears, select Theme Builder. This will take you to the Divi theme builder interface, where you can create and manage custom layouts for your site's headers, footers, and body content. Here's where we'll begin crafting your custom footer design. Let's move forward. To edit your custom footer in the Divi theme builder, start by navigating to the theme builder interface. Once you're there, locate the footer layout you want to modify. If it's a global footer, it will typically be highlighted in green, while footers assigned to specific parts of your site will appear in dark gray. Once you've identified the correct footer, click on the Edit icon. This will open the layout in the Divi Visual Builder, where you can make your desired changes. With the Visual Builder, you can fully customize your footer to suit your needs. Let's dive in and start editing. To modify the Social Media Follow module, start by locating the module that contains your existing social media icons. If you haven't added one to your layout yet, you'll need to do so first. Once you've located or added the module, hover your cursor over it to reveal the module buttons. Now, if your Divi Builder is set to click mode, you might need to click on the module instead of hovering. Once the module buttons appear, click on the gear icon. This will open the module's settings, allowing you to make the necessary adjustments. Let's move on to configuring the YouTube edition. In the settings of the Social Media Follow module, you'll see an option labeled Add New Social Network. Click on this button to add another social icon to your module. This new icon will appear alongside any other social media icons you've already configured. It's a quick and simple way to expand your footer's social media links. Let's move ahead to customize it for YouTube. In the Social Media Follow module settings, navigate to the section labeled Social Network Settings, then go to Content and expand the Network drop-down menu. From here, select YouTube as the social network. Once you do this, the icon will automatically update to display the recognizable YouTube logo. This ensures that your visitors will clearly see it as a link to your YouTube channel or videos. Let's move on to linking it to your account. Now, to link your YouTube account, navigate to the Social Network Settings within the Social Media Follow module. Go to the Content section, then Network, and locate the field labeled Account Link URL. Here, enter the URL for your YouTube channel or a specific video you'd like to direct visitors to. This is the link that users will be taken to when they click on the YouTube icon in your footer. With your URL added, your YouTube icon is fully configured and ready to connect visitors to your content. Once you've finished configuring the settings for your YouTube icon, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button in the Divi Visual Builder to ensure that all your adjustments are applied. Now, preview your site to confirm. The YouTube icon should appear alongside any other social media icons within the Social Media Follow module in your custom footer. Clicking on the icon will take users directly to the YouTube URL you specified. And there you have it, a fully functional YouTube link in your Divi custom footer. In conclusion, adding a YouTube icon to your Divi footer is a simple and effective way to make your site more interactive. By providing a direct link to your YouTube channel or videos, you create an easy path for visitors to engage with your content. This can help grow your audience, boost views, and enhance overall engagement. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.